Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change, or even reverse, the order of the months on the x-axis in your Power BI charts using DAX. If you've ever found your months appearing out of order, or you've run into those pesky circular dependency errors, you're going to get a simple, flexible solution today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take control of your chart's month sorting, whether you want to display your months from January to December, or flip them around from December to January. Let's jump right in. For this example, imagine we have a table called Sales Data. It's pretty straightforward, just two columns, one with month names like Jan, Feb, Mar, and so on, and another with sales numbers for each month. If you'd like to follow along, I've put the DAX formula you'll need down in the description. Just make sure you align it with your own table and keep the column names consistent, so everything works smoothly. Now here, where things get interesting. A common mistake people make is trying to create sort columns inside their original data table, in our case, inside sales data. That causes circular dependency errors, which can be confusing and frustrating. Instead, we're going to create a completely separate month table using DAX. To do this, go to the Modeling tab and click New Table. Then paste the month table formula from the description. Take a moment here, double-check the names match up with what you have. You're essentially building a helper table that lists out the months, along with numbers representing both their regular and reversed order. This small step makes your monthly sorting robust, flexible, and error-free. Once your month table is ready, it's time to connect it to your sales data table. Switch over to Model View and simply drag your month name field from sales data over to the month name in month table. You'll see a relationship line appear. That's Power BI's way of saying, these tables are now talking to each other. This is a key step. It links your sales data with your new month mapping, allowing you to control how months show up in your visuals. Now onto the part that lets you sort the months however you want. Click on the Months Table's Month Name column. At the top ribbon, go to Column Tools and choose Sort by Column. Here, you pick either Month Order for the regular Jan to Dec arrangement, or Month Order Desk if you want to reverse it, showing Dec to Jan. Don't worry if it takes a second for the visuals to update. Power BI can take a moment to refresh after changes like this. With our sorting logic in place, let's build the actual chart. Insert a column chart, and for the x-axis, choose Month Table Month Name. For the y-axis, pick the sum of sales data sales. Just like that, your months line up exactly how you want, either running from the start of the year to the end or flipped for a reversed view. You might be wondering, why does this method work so well? The reason is that the month table stands on its own. It's completely independent, so you never get tangled in circular dependencies. The columns Month Order and Month Order Desk act like traffic directors, making sure months flow in chronological or reverse order depending on your needs. And if you ever use fiscal years, like having July as your year start, you can easily adjust the month table to reflect that too. So here's the major takeaway. Always use a separate month table with DAX when you need to control the month order in Power BI's visuals. Don't try to sort the month name inside the same table it comes from. That's the trap that leads to errors. If this tutorial helped you solve your month sorting problems, be sure to hit that like button. Got any questions or a specific scenario you're running into? Drop it in the comments below. I always love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Power BI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.